Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to share a Dropbox folder with your team. So first look into your Dropbox with your active Gmail account. And for the document, you can create a new document here or share an existing one. So I'm going to click on this document, click on the three dots here, and just click on Share. I'm going to click on Share with Dropbox. Here you just have to copy the link and even manage. You can click on Manage to edit the access. So make sure who has access is anyone with a link. You can set an expiration here, require password, or allow downloads on Dropbox. So this is link for editing. There is also, you can create a link for viewing, and here is the folder settings. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.